How to make potato wedges. To make delicious potato wedges, follow these simple steps. Ingredients: potatoes, 2 to 3 large potatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, optional, garlic powder, optional, dried herbs, such as rosemary or thyme, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Wash the potatoes thoroughly and pat them dry. Leave the skin on or peel them, depending on your preference. Cut the potatoes into wedges by halving them lengthwise and then cutting each half into 2 or 3 wedges, depending on the size of the potato. Aim for even-sized wedges for consistent cooking. Place the potato wedges in a large bowl and drizzle them with olive oil. Toss the wedges to coat them evenly with oil. Season the wedges with salt, pepper, and any additional seasonings you prefer, such as paprika, garlic powder, or dried herbs. Adjust the seasonings according to your taste and desired flavor. Arrange the seasoned potato wedges on the prepared baking sheet in a single layer, ensuring they have some space between them for even browning. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the wedges are golden brown and crispy. Flip the wedges once halfway through the cooking time to ensure they cook evenly on both sides. Once the potato wedges are cooked to your desired crispiness, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly before serving. Serve the potato wedges as a delicious side dish or snack. They pair well with ketchup, mayonnaise, or your favorite dipping sauces. Enjoy your homemade potato wedges.